Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your Galaxy has the necessary widgets and permission to read data usage. This avoids surprises later. Once done, long press an empty spot on your home screen to open the Widgets panel, because that's where you add interactive elements quickly. Next, scroll or use the search field to find the Digital Wellbeing or Data Usage widget. This widget surfaces app-by-app and total mobile data, so you can monitor usage at a glance. You now drag the chosen widget onto the home screen, and before you let go, decide the size that fits your layout. This matters because larger widgets show more details. Once placed, tap the widget to open configuration. Make sure to select mobile data or Wi-Fi display based on what you need. Also pick the billing cycle or date range so the numbers match your carrier statement, and enable app-level tracking if you want per app breakdown directly on the widget. You finish by confirming the widget updates in real time. Open it and check that usage increments after data activity, because that proves background refresh is allowed. If the widget shows blank or stale data, remove and re-add it, then restart the phone to reset services. This fixes most sync issues. If problems persist, make sure the related app has permission to access network usage and that carrier settings aren't blocking reporting, which can prevent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.